Okay, for this mechanism given, all these are pins by which the rods like this, like this, like this, like this are connected. Okay, this is a roller and this is a pin. What needs to be found out is for what angle theta this is in equilibrium. If there is a force P acting here and there is a spring over here. Okay, let's assume that the spring is unstretched at a particular position. Let's say we will assume this position, since it is not given, to be unstretched spring position is for theta equal to, shall we say, 30 degrees. 30 may be too much, so let me take it as 60 degrees. 60 degrees. The problem is similar to another problem that we solved. So let's just write down what all needs to be found out. We have an active force P and a force due to this K at this point D, and this is a point on which, so point A has a force, an active force P, point D has an active force Fk. We need to find out these virtual displacements at D and A due to a small change in theta. So which means I need to find out, with respect to a reference like this, what would be this distance in terms of theta. So I'm just going to call it as XA in terms of theta. Okay, that's simple in this particular case. I can write XA is equal to, you can find that XA is this length. If they call this as L, this is L, XA is equal to, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore it is 5 times L sin theta. How about XD? XD is equal to just one single length, which is L sin theta. Now in order to find out the virtual displacements, I need to write down these. What is Fk equal to? Fk equals, since it is deflected by this, the initial position was such that it was xt minus xt unstretched. This unstretched can be found out with respect to this. So in this particular case, it is equal to L sin theta minus L sin 60 degrees. Okay, using this it is possible to find out Fk. Now virtual work can be written as P times the horizontal virtual work. The virtual displacement here can be found out to be 5 times L cos theta delta theta. Similarly, XD is equal to L cos theta delta theta. So we put together, please remember this Fk is acting in the minus x direction, and therefore we will write this as P times delta XA plus minus Fk times delta XT. Now it's a matter of substituting and finding out what would be theta equal to in terms of P. So theta in terms of P needs to be found out. That's all is the problem. Thank you.